Hi, Sai. Happy birthday, Sai. Happy 27th birthday. Wish you good health, more love, and mahal, more babies. Kaya, di ka na. Baby na tayo. Okay? Happy birthday. By the way, check mo yung iba. There are lots of clips, mahal, for your birthday. From your loved ones. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Hope you like it. Bye.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got 4 feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Hi, Nak. Happy birthday. Wish nako sa imo good health and more blessing and more apo. Mali Hindi, bitaw. Sa sunod limong birthday na ko'y ako. Ah. Ha. Katulaw. Sana lang. Happy birthday. And God bless. I love you na miss you. Yun lang.
Wow.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Liz.
Ilang taon?
Anong handa mo, Liz? Nakakabay lechon?
Ito hotdog.
Nakakami lechon manok.
Mm.
O handa kami. Si Sandra magsiupaw.
Ang supa ni Sandra kay masarap.
Siupaw na durian.
Durian flavor.
Ilan taon ka na, Liz? Ilan taon na si Risa?
Mag 27.
27 na anak ko, tulok anak. Tulok anak.
27 ka na. Receive.
Sige, happy birthday, Liz.
Hi! Happy birthday, ate! Alam ko happy ka na masyado. God bless you and may have more birthdays to come. I love you so much.
Mama.
Kumanak ka? Hindi pa.
Oh, wala ka man sa
And, I'm so proud of you.
Birthday girl, ang ganda mo. Ginising mo pa ako ng beauty mo. Happy birthday, Ate Riz. Hope you have a good one and hope to see you soon. And safe ka dyan sa Dubai, hopefully. Tapos, yeah. Hope makavisit ka dito so we can all see you. Pati si Kuya Hansel din. Yay! And yeah, love you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sai! Happy birthday, Sai! Sorry, Sai, kay tiguan na ko ta.
Kalibot-libot ka.
Kalibot na.
Happy birthday, Tita Rosa.
Tumingin ka nga.
Happy birthday!
Di.
Happy birthday, Tita Reza! Hello.
Oh, Mark. Mark!
This newscast is brought to you by Dove Hair
Happy
Care.
birthday, Tita Reza.
Happy birthday, tita. Ingat yan.
Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you, love you.
Res, happy birthday na lang.
Hello, Riz. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday di ay. Ingat dira perme. Bisag walay handa, okay lang yapon. Bisag layo kasi ng pamilya, okay lang yapon nate. Basta stay focus lang diya sa mong work ate tapos tama day ate. Happy second wedding anniversary di ay. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye. Iris, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan. Wish ko sa birthday mo. Sana good health ka palagi dyan. Sa lots of wealth. Huwag kang magbago. Always keep your feet on the ground. I wish you all the best. Kalimutan, happy second year anniversary nga pala sa inyo ni Ansel. Tsaka enjoy life and God bless. Bye. Happy birthday and happy second wedding anniversary ninyo ni Ansel. Wish na ko sa inyo good health, stay humble and stay beautiful. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Wala may dara, wala mong family, and of course, your one and only mahal. I hope, wish ko, naunta, tagaan to kag more blessings, to God, good health, long life, and guidance. Stay pretty, stay humble, and don't forget to play. And salamat kay sa tanan at Teresa sa mga tabang sa mo. Especially sa ako sa pag-eskwela. Dun ako na makalimtan or dili man ako na mabayaran. Ang Ginoo na ang bahala sa imong Ate Riz. Padayon lang sa ni mo na batasan, di ka magbago and bago ko makalimot. Happy second wedding anniversary po dahil sa ni Kuya Hansel. God bless. Bye-bye. See you soon.